Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a cocktail birdhouse. First, let's gather our materials. You will need a clean plastic cocktail shaker, some PVC pipe, and a few pieces of wood. Make sure all your components are safe and non-toxic for our feathered friends. Also, prepare your workspace with the right tools for cutting, drilling, and assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable building process for your unique bird home. Now, let's build the sturdy foundation for our birdhouse. Begin by cutting a circular wooden base, approximately 5 inches in diameter, to provide excellent stability. Next, take a piece of PVC pipe, about 4 inches long and 1.5 inches in diameter. Securely attach this pipe upright to the center of your wooden base. This assembly forms the crucial main support structure for your entire cocktail birdhouse. With the base ready, it's time to add the main attraction, the cocktail shaker. Carefully secure the plastic shaker to the top of the PVC pipe, ensuring it is firmly attached. Next, drill a clean, smooth entrance hole into the shaker, about 1.5 inches in diameter, perfect for small birds. Finally, install a small wooden dowel just below the entrance hole to serve as a comfortable perch. For the final touches, safety and durability are key. Gently sand all rough edges on the wood to ensure no sharp points can harm our avian visitors. Apply a non-toxic, weather-resistant sealant to all wooden parts to protect your birdhouse from the elements. Lastly, choose a safe, sheltered spot in your garden, perhaps under an overhang, and securely mount your beautiful new cocktail birdhouse for birds to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.